Well, welcome biology and biology honors students back to distance learning week 3. So ready to move on and do lots of different things. Make sure that you're building on what you know. Make sure that you're looking for items to make your lives easier, like the Bitmoji Classroom, the calendar, so you can see when things are due. Don't just ask me, look at the calendar. Other things that are very useful to look at are the absent folders. Some of you guys are missing sessions. When you miss the session, I post these every Friday so that you guys can get a recap of the week. And so this will give you a great opportunity to get caught up, look at some of the things we did, like checkpoint 1 that was completed on Friday of last week, other assignments like the tech introduction, and other useful things, including screencasts. So individual screencasts on how to make a Google file your own, how to post an image into Schoology or Summit. Those are useful tools, and make sure that you're following up with these links and seeing what you missed if for some reason you missed that day. Okay? All right. So briefly want to show you guys this Bitmoji Classroom for just a quick moment before we get started in Distance Learning Week 3, because it's got lots of useful things that are continuing to edit and change and are useful tools for you guys to make your lives faster. So you can download these always every week. They have the previous week also in them, but you're noticing these unique identifiers for classes. So make sure that your this biology honors, you guys have the robotics Stingray. So make sure that you're clicking onto your class. That'll open up Schoology right there. This actually, all these links all bring you to a variety of different places, including this is the link for our screencast that you're watching right now. Quote of the week, always bring up a unique scientist that's quoted from, and just added this week were some interactive stuff with the aquarium. So make sure that you're taking a look at that. All right, let's get into our work in distance learning week 3. So what are we doing this week 3? So for week 3, you will have something on Monday that'll help you to front load out what we are working on. It will not take you a lot of time and it will not be due until Wednesday. So if you don't get finished, don't worry about it. Again, look at the due dates. Okay, that's very valuable. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to make a scavenger hunt. There will be a link here that will take you to the scavenger hunt. You'll go through, you'll add all of these different types of scientists. We're starting to learn about scientists and how they are related to us, and that's actually going to lead you to our next synchronous session. And our next synchronous session is going to be talking about 2 things. Initially, these introduction of the digital interactive notebooks that you're going to use throughout the entire year. So these digital interactive notebooks, which you guys saw in the tech introduction, you are going to make your own, and I am going to walk you through step by step how to do that. And we are going to create these and use these throughout. So you can save your work all in one place and also use that for studying for focus areas and other things like we'll do towards the end of the week. The second part of Tuesday, we are going to be working on activity 2 from checkpoint 2. Some of you guys have already started checkpoint 2, activity 2, and even some of you guys are even moving forward even more. Slow down a little bit, take your time, but ultimately, I don't want you guys to waste time. If you have it completed, great. I will start giving you guys feedback on that, and hopefully it's where we want to be, okay? But we'll be working on activity 2, which will talk to us more about finding a scientist that is very much like what we believe, what we are. Wednesday is going to be a work day, so this is going to be a great opportunity for those of you guys that have needing to catch up or have additional questions with regards to checkpoint 2. I will hold additional office hours from 9 to 11 on Wednesday. So I'll pop into my virtual classroom if you guys need to come in. It's open office hours. Come on in. I'll answer any questions. And you guys should hopefully be able to continue forward in activity 2, checkpoint 2. If you're again moving forward on Thursday, we're going to start off with learning those last things that we need to know about activity 2, checkpoint 2, activity 3. And so we're going to learn the what type of scientific investigations and things that we're going to get into of your scientists' respective fields. The second part of this day, we're actually going to do a little bit of onboarding to our Friday assignment, which is some understanding of note-taking. So I'm going to give you a link to Cornell note-taking method, digital version, so you can use this in your digital notebook every single time. All you have to do is open up a new page, and that'll move you through. Again, we're going to talk about that on Tuesday, but we will also continue on Thursday. Why do we need to start taking notes? Well, we need to start taking notes not only for us as we're moving forward, but also for your focus areas. So on Friday, I've created a graphic organizer that's going to walk you through your first focus area. Biology and biology honors, you have two different focus areas for your first focus area. This does not mean that you are at this time going to be taking that first focus area. No, this is you are starting to understand on how to write notes for that. So looking into resources like you did again in Tech Introduction, look at a video, look at a website. What important information do I need to pull out of it so that I can be successful in those focus areas that right now aren't due until October, but I want you to start looking at them, okay? Well, that's what you have for week 3. If you have any questions, always feel free in Schoology message me, send me emails, and I will continue forward then. Take care, guys. See you later.